Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 92 of Surah An-Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما كان لمؤمن أن يقتل مؤمنا إلا خطأ. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. And let me take my pen. Ma is 2 counts long. Yes. And kaf is soft and light and make it 2 counts long. Ma, na is short. Li, for kasra, give E sound. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. As you will touch Hamza, your lips should be in a straight position because it has sukoon. Whenever you have you have sukoon on any letter, your lips should be in a straight position. And Hamza is a shidda letter, so the sound will cut off very abruptly. Mu, mi, focus, give E sound, the sound is short. Nin, ruling is her, and the sifa is tawassut. Here, because after tanween there is Hamza. Mi, nin, ai. This is idgham with unna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ay, ya, ya is very soft letter. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with qaf. Qaf will have qalqala and it is heavy. Ya, tu, for dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is short. La, for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. As you will as you will pronounce Hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. Mu, mi, focus, give E sound. Nan, idhar. The ruling is idhar and sifas tawassut. The sound will flow little. Mi, nan, il. Hamza is very sharp. Focus, give E sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassut. Il. And then it is 2 counts long. La, kho. Kho is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Kho. Kho is short. So this will be mad. You're exchanging the sound of tanween into mad letter. So it will be 2 counts long. خطأ و for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Man. This is ikhfa, and this is ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So whenever there are heavy letters for ikhfa, the ikhfa will be heavy, and to make any ikhfa heavy, you will lift your tongue up. And you will keep the sound in your nose, and you will not pronounce noon. وَمَنْ Qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ta is very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Lam is short. Mu, for dhamma, circle lips, attach with Hamza. The sound will cut off when it will be attached with Hamza. Mu, mi, for kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short. Nan, idhar, the ruling is idhar, but sifa is tawassut. Nan, kho is heavy. For fatha, open jaws. To is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. This is ikhfa, and this ikhfa will be light because fa is among light letters. So you will keep your tongue straight. To make any ikhfa light, you will keep your tongue straight. Fa will get hums. Hums is a flow of breath. For fatha, open your jaws. Ta is very sharp. There should not be any flow of sound or breath. There should not be any flow of sound too. And for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rohwa, and it is from your throat. Tah. The sound should flow. The sound should flow very clearly. Tah. Ri. For kasra, give E sound whenever ra is with kasra. It is light and it will be 2 counts long because this is a long vowel. Ri. Oru. This ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. Oru. Ra is heavy. Fatha upon your jaws. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Ba. Keep ba light because ra is heavy and qaf is heavy. We tend to make the coming up letter, which is ba, and it is light. We tend to make it heavy, but don't make it heavy. If you can't control this sound, so go slow and break it up. Ra, qa, ba, ra, qa, ba, tim. Even though this ta is attached with meme, you should not drop this kasra sound. It will stay t. If you wanted to check if you are saying right, so you can say ta kasra t. So this t sound should stay the same, even though it is attached with coming up letter. Team. It will be t and then attached with meme. Team. And meme will get sifa of kunna because whenever meme and noon are with tashdid, they get akmal kunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Team. And then for dhamma, circle your lips and then attach with hamza, which will cut off the sound very abruptly, very sharply, because hamza is among sharp letters, shidda letters. Mu, mi for kasra, give e sound. Na for fatha upon your jaws. Tiung, idgham, and this is idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tiung, and we are not dropping this t sound, this kasra sound, even though we are creating idgham. Tiung. And when you're pronouncing wow, your lips should be in a circle position. For fatha upon your jaws. D for kasra, give e sound. The sound is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. D, here, here. Very soft. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tum, ta is very sharp. For dhamma, circle lips attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal. So whenever meme and noon are with tashdid, they get gunna, and this gunna is akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tum, and by the way, this is idgham, yes, but this idgham is with gunna. Tum, for the circle lips, the sound is very short. Sell, give whistle sound in scene for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Sell, la for fatha upon jaws. Ma, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Tun, the ruling is idhar. Safa is tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Tun, this sound is tawassut. You are creating medium flow of sound. Tun, e for kasra, give e sound. La, this is mad munfasil jaiz. So make it 4 counts long. Ila, hamza is very sharp. No flow of sound is there. For fatha upon jaws attached ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. And it should be from your throat and the last part of your throat. And last part of your throat is not your chest. So many people say that we are pronouncing this from our chest. No, it's the last part of your throat is where the Adam's apple is. Yes. So this is the part you will create ha from. Li for kasra, give e sound. He mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Il, hamza is very sharp attached with lam. Lam you get sifa of tawassut, and then it will be 4 counts long because this is munfasil jaiz. Illa, ay, hamza is very sharp, and this is idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ay, yeah, is very soft. You're lifting your tongue up, but it is not touching your palate. That is making ya very soft letter. Yes. And Sad will be heavy. It has Rahawa. It is heavy. It has Safir. The sound should not stop until the next letter will come. Yes. This is the sound you will create for Sad. Yes. Sad. Dal will stop the sound there and then because dal is among shidda letters. So can you feel the difference between Rakawa letters and shidda? There is a great and um, huge difference. So um, give these sifat a very, very um, your your full attention. Yes, swad, swad. Swad will be heavy, but dal will be light. And for fatha, the sound is very short. The qaf is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips and make it to count long. Fa, so we can recite it till here. وما كان لمؤمن أن يقتل مؤمنا إلا خطأ ومن قتل مؤمنا خطأ فتحرير رقبة مؤمنة ودية مسلمة إلى أهله إلا أن يصدقوا. Give hums in fa. Whenever you see fa, you're giving hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Fa in. Can you feel that this ikhfa with kaf and ikhfa with qaf? This sounds like idhar. Yes, it sounds like idhar, but the mechanism is very different. فإن فإن this ikhfa is light, but still your tongue is up. This ikhfa is little different. So فإن ka 2 counts long. Na short. Min this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So to create any heavy ikhfa, you are lifting your tongue up. Min qaw. Qaf is heavy for fatha when jaws attached with wow, and it is lean, make it 2 counts long. Min sifa sifa is the wasud, but ruling is idhar. Min ain from your throat, but fatha open jaws. Do for dhamma, circle your lips and attach it. Wow, here you are creating number because wow and ya. Whenever you find them with tashdid, you are creating number, and number is a jump of sound. Do will. For wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For kasra, give an e sound. You are not missing this sound. Okay, so you are attaching with this v sound with lam. This idgham is without one. So you are not keeping the sound in your nose. Adu, adu, will. Actually, you're giving the wasut here on lam. Will And then for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. La. Kum. For the circular lips attached. Mim will get above the wasut. Kum. Wa. For wow circular lips for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Hu. Ha. From your throat. For the circular lips, the sound is short. Wa. For wow circular lips for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. So all these sounds should have equal length. No, nothing should go up and down. Hua, hu, hua, wa, hua, mu. For the circular lips attached with Hamza. Hamza is a shidda letter, so it will cut off the sound very abruptly. Mu, mi. For constructive E sound. Mm, this is ikhfa. Noon. And this ikhfa is light. You're keeping the sound, you're keeping your tongue straight. Noon, fa. Give a hums on fa for fatha open jaws. With fatha, the sound is very short. Fa, ta. Ta is very sharp. No flow of sound for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get above. Rakhawa. And it is from your throat. Ta. Ri. Ra is light. Make it two counts long. Oru. Ora is heavy for the circular lips. Ora. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. Qa. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ba. Keep it light. And for fatha open jaws. Im. Idgham with gunna. Mu. Mina. Whenever we stop, we change this ta, the circle ta into ha. Mu'mina. Wa in. For wow circular, let's for fatha open jaws. In this ikhfa is light, so keep yes. Even though it is light, but in this ikhfa, your tongue is lifted up. Yes. Wa in ka. Two counts long, not short. Min. Heavy ikhfa. Lift your tongue up. Min qaw. Qaf is heavy for the open. Just make it two counts long because this is lean. Mim. Ikhfa shafawi. Mim. Bay. Two counts long because this is lean. Na. Short. Kum. For the circular lips attached with me, we will get above the wasut. Wa. For wow circular lips, open your jaws. The sound is short. Bay. Two counts long. To make lean soft and long, you have to give little longer time on fatha and softly attach with ya. Bay. Na. Na is short. Hum. For the circular lips. This is idgham shafawi. Idgham shafawi, yes. With gunna. Idgham is always with gunna. Not always, but lam and ra doesn't have gunna, yes. Hum, me, two counts long. Ta, two counts long. Qum, ikhfa. Light ikhfa. Keep your tongue straight. Fa. Give hums before fatha on fa, but fatha will be very short. This is hums before fatha when you're pronouncing fa, but with fatha the sound is very short. Fa, d is short. Yeah, very soft. Tum for the circular lips attached with mim, idgham with gunna. Tummu for the circular lip. Cell for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasat. Cell la for fatha open jaws. Ma short. Tun. The ruling is idhar and sipa is tawassut. Tun e. Hamza is very sharp. The sounds cut off very abruptly because give e sound. E la. Mad munfasil jaiz, four counts long. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa raqawa and should be from your last part of your throat with Adam's apple is. Uh, Li for kasra give E sound. He, 2 counts long. Hua for wow circle lips for patha open jaws. Da, da is very sharp. No flow of sound for patha open jaws attached with ra. Ha, how will get zipper for a the sound should flow very nicely and should be from your throat. Da, ri, keep raw light. Orchestra give E sound, make it 2 counts long. Oro is heavy. Raqabatim Nina. F, give hums for fatha open jaws. Mal, this is idgham without gunna. So we are not keeping the sound in our nose. Famal. Lam, give tawassut on lam first and then give fatha and then attach it. La, mim, mim will get about tawassut too. Famal lam, yeah, from very soft. You are lifting your tongue up towards your palate, but you're not touching it, which is making ya very soft letter. Yeah, Jid for constructive E sound. Don't drop this E sound, even though it is attached with sakun. Jid and give qalqala on dal. Give hums on fa. Whenever you're looking at fa, you're giving hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Fa, fatha, the sound is very short. Sli, for kasra give E sound, but keep sod heavy because sod is a heavy letter. Fa, sli, yeah, keep ya light, make it 2 counts long. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Shah, for fatha, open jaws, attach with ha will get it up, and it is from your throat. Shah. A roi is heavy. Whenever roi is with patha or dhamma, it is heavy. For patha, open your jaws, attach it. Yeah, it will be 2 counts long because this is lean. A roi. Ni. For kasra, give E sound. Mu. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. Ta. Very sharp letter. No flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ta. Ta. But with all same qualities, it is long because it is mud letter. The B for kasra give E sound. I from your throat, Prabhat open jaws. Make it 2 counts long and make it soft. How you will make it soft? By giving very nice time on fatha and attaching with ya softly. Listen how we do it. I when you are attaching ein with ya, here you are creating very soft touch and making it 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give E sound. Tau. Ta is very sharp. But when you are attaching with wow, here you are creating softness. And this is why we call it lean and making it 2 counts long. Tau. Ba is short. Tem, for fatha open jaws attached with mim will get zipper off. Gunna, and because this is idgham. Tem, mi, for kasra give E sound. No, keep noon light, matlab se jalala heavy. No. Make it 4 counts long because this is mad. I will mad arid lissakun, mad arid lissakun. Why? Because you are giving temporary sakun here. This is temporary, so we call it arid uh, temporary. And this temporary sakun has turned this 4 counts long vowel, this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. That is mad arid sakun. Min Allah. Wow, circle your lips with what open yours. Cut, make cup, keep cup light, make it 2 counts long. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala is heavy because you can find fatha before it. Now, and by default it is 2 counts long. Who for the circle your lips. Ain from your throat, the sound is short. Li, 2 counts long. Man, ruling is hard, but sifat step was man. Ha, Have from your throat, focus open jaws. Keep cough, keep light, make it 2 counts long. Ma, mud. Oh, you're exchanging the sound to another sound, so it is making it 2 counts long. فإن كان من قوم عدو لكم وهو مؤمن فتحرير رقبة مؤمنة وإن كان من قوم بينكم وبينهم ميثاق فدية مسلمة إلى أهله وتحرير رقبة مؤمنة فمن لم يجد فصيام شهرين متتابعين توبة من الله وكان الله عليما حكيما. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.